So what I've done to this monitor is I've carefully scraped off the front polarizer, because of course a LCD screen works by having white light at the back, one polarizer which only lets, say, horizontal polarized light get through, a second one which will only let vertically through, so normally no light can get through and it looks black. However, the liquid crystal in between can rotate that polarization and let the light through, so you can turn on pixels one at a time. So now if you put the polarizer up, you will block the light which hasn't been rotated, and in all the correct pixels, and so you see the picture. If you rotate the polarizer 190 degrees, you then invert the picture, because anything which could get through before now can't, and anything which couldn't get through before now can. So the colours go all slightly inverse in a slightly cute way. So this is a really nice example of how a fundamental piece of physics can be used by engineers to produce something which we use every day.